Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Bolaji James and I'm from Okubi Media Network. Of course, this is Easy WP with me, where I teach you how you can create a website for your business and manage it yourself without necessarily paying web developers, as a small business. Alright, so in today's tutorial I'll be taking you through how to sign up on Interserver. So interserver.net basically is my number one go-to international hosting as a Nigerian. So if I'm not, anytime I'm working for a client and I'm not using local hosting, I want to use international hosting, my number one best bet is interserver.net. And why do I choose Interserver? Maybe I will do a full review of Interserver later on. I will drop it on this channel for you to see why I chose them. But let me just show you one or two things. Basically, take a look at this. Interserver has been in service, has been in business since 1999. They're one of the oldest hosting company you can find around, and of course we know that multiple years of experience is a guarantee for what capability. All right, so not only that, if you go online and check and type the word Interserver review, look at the Interserver review, you can see that on Trustpilot Interserver has 4.3, and every one of us know that Trustpilot is one of the best places you can get the correct review about most online businesses. So they have 4.3 reviews. Not only that, if you come here and check from this place again, just type the word Interserver review here on Google, you will see a lot of people apart from Trustpilot. You can see a lot of YouTube YouTubers rather, that have reviewed these businesses as far back as 2020, even before now. And so also take a look at this place here. You can see 4.0, 4.4. If you take a look at Forbes, 3.7, as a look at this. So it's been a good hosting company and I trust them. Not only that, the support is awesome. So basically, let me leave all of that review for the review video. But basically, if you want to sign up on Interserver, this is how you go about it. All right, I will advise you to go for cPanel hosting, because if you just come to Interserver and just sign up directly, they are going to create the direct admin package for you, and you might need to call them in order to for them to cancel that and then register your plan as cPanel hosting. So if you want to do cPanel hosting, once you are here on Interserver, just scroll down to this place down here, and you'll find cPanel hosting here. So click on it, click on cPanel hosting, so that you, right from the onset, as you are setting up, you know that you are doing cPanel hosting. Okay, so here you are on web hosting with cPanel. All right. Okay, so once you are here, you can see basically some details about it, but you don't need anything here. All you need to do is just click on buy now. As soon as this finish loading, click on buy now, cPanel hosting. So click on buy now. It will open a new page here, to open on a new page. All right, so once this loads up, once this loads up, the first thing you need to it says choose the host name you want for your site, that is the hosting you want to use. So you are going to type your domain name. For instance, I might type let me say WordPress tutor.com. I'm not sure this might be available. So if you click on this and click on continue, it will check whether that domain is available. So if it's available, then it goes on. If it is not, if it's registered somewhere else, it will tell you, so you can see that it's available. All right, so it's available, and the price for domain hosting is just $8. All right, so here it will ask you to fill in your name, fill in your first name, your last name, your email and other stuff like that. Then all right, then you say billing interval. You can see we have $30 for 12 months. This is another reason why I normally choose I decided that Interserver is one of my best go-to. You can imagine $30 for 12 months. And not only that, they actually allow you to go for, even if you want a month, you want 6 months, and all at the same price, of I think 2 point something dollar per month, 2 point something dollar per month. And that's it will now renew at $96, which is their regular price, unlike some other guys that gives you you can only get their cheaper rate if you are picking 48 months or 36 months. So these guys don't force you to get a kind of 48 months, or maybe maybe 36 months. You understand? So you can actually pick your 12 months, 1 month, and so, but you must know that it's going to all right. So all you need to do here is go ahead and I'm just going to fill in some random names, because I have an account with with Interserver already. So I can say let me just put some name here and say okay, let's say James Alex. Put in all right, so put in an email, then set any password that you want. Let me leave the password there. So company name is optional if you have it. So street address, you're going to put in your street address. And all right, let me put in okay, let me say 6A alright. So once I've done this, let's move on. City, okay, let me bring this here. Alright, let me take this from here and bring it here. Okay, so FCT is alright, so it's Nigeria. Then you need to put a phone number, and I think it should be in international format. So let me put it there, 23480. okay, now let me use 90600 39037. all right, so once I put in all of this, and you can see the prices here. So let me say go ahead and just mark this out, and then create an account. all right, so this should create an account for you, and then all you can say account created successfully. Or the next thing is just for you to make your payment, and your account is ready. Pretty easy and straightforward. That's all I have to show you in this tutorial. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to actually use their control panel. If you have used my link, the link already of this of Interserver, my Interserver link is in the description of the video. So once you use my link to create your account, and you need more details on how to use their cPanel, then the next video I'm going to be creating on this channel is going to be directed at that. So keep an eye on the channel for that. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get updated when I create that video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.